We are very fortunate that Osho has made us open for all the masters. Osho has talked less about himself and he has talked about 70 enlightened masters in details, a series of lectures about 70 enlightened masters, and he has referred thousands of masters during his discourse, all the masters of the past or those who are in his time like Krishnamurti and things. So Bhagwan has made us available for the grace and benediction and blessing for all the masters. He has made us a universal disciple. No? And I feel so intimate when I read Yoganand. I feel so intimately connected with Yoganand. When I read Raman Maharshi, I feel same as if I feel when I read Osho. No? Because you taste the ocean from anywhere, whether you taste it in Russia or taste in Calcutta, it is salty. No? Same ocean. Enlightened master has got same flavor. No? So they speak different language, they speak in different terminology because of the time and space and the questioners. But if you don't read it through your mind and read it through your heart, you will find the same taste. The taste of ocean and taste of enlightenment. No? So all the enlightened master, real enlightened master, that's why Osho talked about so many masters we have not heard. Saran Das, Sundar Das, Lao Tzu, we have never heard these names, no? But Osho made us available for all these masters. Osho said that I give you all the temples, all the churches, all the mosques, it belongs to you. So wherever you find a place of meditation, no? Meditate there. Don't look at the signboard, whether it is a Christian or it is in Christian also Catholic and Protestant are very much against each other. No? So you don't look for the signboard. Wherever you find a house of meditation, pray there. I give you all the Bibles, all the Quran and all the Gita and Bhagavad, that all belongs to you. No? So he had made us so rich. When I wrote that book, Lone Seeker and Many Masters, many people criticized me. Osho Sannyasi also criticized me. Why Arun is not devoted to Osho? Why he writes about many masters? One master is enough. But I asked them, my dear friend, you are my old friend, I know your history. One girlfriend is enough for you? As you told, every girl has a different flavor. No? That makes your life richer. No? That's why Osho said that marriage is monogamy. No? Monogamy is monotony. No? So why to confine with only one master when all the masters are available and they are ready to help you? And when I talk, when we have satsang, when the Shaktipat will start, no, you will see that I feel that not only Osho, but a whole bunch of masters comes to bless us. That's why our Shaktipat is becoming every day stronger and stronger. No? You will. I tell my friends, it is surprised my friends that even in the Corona period, when world is closed, we just slightly open the ashram with peace, we allowed people with PCR test and at least 5 days of stay. These conditions were imposed. But with all this condition, within 10 days, you will be surprised, we have 38 sannyas. Within 10 days, 38 people took sannyas. I don't think anywhere else in the world sannyas is happening at that pace, no? And in 38 people who took sannyas, there is a second man in Nepalese army, general. They are doctors, they are engineers, they are very successful businessmen. Yesterday also we have sannyas. 19 people took sannyas. No? And they were all professional, very successful professional. And in the sannyas celebration there was a ex-minister who is also a sannyasi and is waiting in line, again who is going to become a minister. 2 times he has been minister, he is also sannyasi. So it is only in Nepal that miracle is happening. No? All our ashram and has been inaugurated, commune has been inaugurated by either president or prime minister. And there has not have been a month when some very high official minister or high official government officer has not visited Tapovan. There has not been a month. Even in Nepal, there are sannyasis are in Supreme judges of Supreme Court. Sannyasi has been deputy prime minister. Now sannyasi is in army general, police AIG. No, so it is only in Nepal it is happening because we are open. We are open, my dear friend. We are not very conservative. That some people criticize me that Arun does not love Osho. Why he writes many masters? Why you need many masters? No, but it is teaching of Osho. Bhagavan said that become open and don't be a sectarian. Don't be a sectarian. So all the masters, I give you all the churches, all the temples, and all the books, all the Quran and Gita. It is your book.